October 8th, 2018, garage experiment, Stanley Adventure Cook set. Damn it. Trying to think of a way how to keep this shut and be able to hang it over fire full of water and this not open. And I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this clip off. It doesn't really do anything anyway. I'm gonna take this clip off, shorten it up, bend it into a L, and put it back on here upside down to where it's on the end right here, and then it'll clip over this lip right here. And then I can hang it with that metal ring. That'll work. All right. The only tricky part is going to be after this gets hot, taking this off, but could just use these holes to drain it, whatever, you drain the water out, I guess. I don't know. I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. It works. Well, I'd say that was a success. If I decide to post this, I'm sorry. No editing or nothing like that. Sometimes I just record this stuff in case something works. You know, I can remember I can remember how I did it. Anyway, if I do post it, I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.